What's going on, John? John's got the new, you're holding the light now. Every day we lose technical abilities here. What do we got? Mitsubishi Triton. I don't even know what's going on. I got to check the job card. 1 second, John, before. This seems entirely unprofessional, to be honest. There is no job card. There's nothing happening to the Ute. We've just decided to park it in here today and be annoying about it. No, I think a steel canopy is going in there. Is that right, Alex? Steel canopy and central locking, right? And here's the thing. Here's the one thing that I want to know, right? Every single time we tell the customers, we're like, hey, bring it a bare tub, right? And what people will do is they'll go ahead and they'll take off the easiest stuff, right? Because we say, if you don't bring it a bare tub, we'll charge you extra, right? So they're like, yeah, no dramas, I'll take it off, right? So they go ahead, they take off all the easy stuff, right? And they come to this piece over here, right? And in fact, we tell them, that's hot. And we tell them, man, and I tell them over the phone, I'm like, bro, you got to remove every single piece of metal off the tub. Otherwise, we're going to charge you. And then they rock up in the morning, and then we say, hey, is it a bare tub? They're like, yeah. And then lo and behold, every single time this piece, which is actually the hardest piece to remove, which takes half an hour of struggling over here, because whatever Mitsubishi did with this piece, they may as well have glued it on with, I don't know, it may as well be welded on. It may as well, it is riveted. It's double-sided taped, and look, the rest of the car is not built as well as they've attached this piece to their tub. So then here we are struggling for half an hour to get this thing off. And then people have a tendency to get upset if we're going to charge them to remove it. Mate, we've been here, we're struggling here. Look, we're here with the hairdryer. That's a special kind of hairdryer. You don't really want to use that on your head. That one you're going to lead to some burns. But anyway, that's the long and short of it. If we say bare tub, we mean bare tub. So what's going on here? Toyota Hilux is going to draws Trundle draw. So here we are, Hilux Trundle draw. 2100 is going to be going on this. We're having a look over here. Another note to all the customers out there: if you are bringing your Ute in to get a Trundle draw done, please make sure that your toolboxes are empty, right? Because this, I swear to God, because we're going to find out right now if these toolboxes are empty, it's going to make the job 10 times harder, just because we actually have to lift this off with a forklift before we can actually get the drawer on. So once again, please, if you're bringing the Ute in to be worked on a Trundle drawer, make sure that they are empty. So this tray has to actually be lifted up a little bit to make space for the drawer. The Toyota Genuine trays, we've really got them down pat on how to do them. We've got special sort of brackets and fitting kits, and we do it all the time. And when you do something all the time, you don't make a mistake. So don't go to someone who doesn't do them all the time. Some amateur down the road called Joe Blow, who's going to put a bunch of dents in your brand new Hilux and chassis and the rest of it. Come see Chris. Don't see me. I barely answer the phones here. Come see the team at Canopies and 4x4. I do nothing. I just stand in front of the camera and I make shitty jokes, trying to make people laugh. Anyway, back to the point. Come, call Canopies and 4x4. Get your Ute booked in to get work done and get it done right the first time. All right? What do we got? Me getting in people's ways. That's what we got. Alrighty, midday update for the vlog on whatever day. What day is it, John? Is it Tuesday? It's Tuesday. Thank you. John's on it. All right. So this was what I was actually mentioning in the morning, the steel canopy. The steel canopy has gone on this Triton. Show them. Beautiful. Another one. Probably the 1,000th one. 10,000th one. The 1,000,000th one. In fact, Mitsubishi called me directly. I don't pick up their phones. They want to talk to me. I said, bro, what is all of this? What is all this you're yapping to me? Turns out they speak in Japanese. Makes sense. And then now we got this Isuzu, the Isuzu. We've got this red canopy fitted. This is what's just coming for some work being done to it. I'm not actually too sure exactly what's being done to it, but anyway, it's got our canopy on there and it looks great. You know what I mean? So that's the only thing that we can got to be concerned about. Let's get over here. Let's bother some more people. All right. No. We'll just sneak in through here. Don't be hitting nothing. All right. So, looking into the process. What's this one? New Ranger. That's not New Ranger. See, there we go. This is what happens all the time. Is that New Ranger? Why is it right New Ranger when there's clearly not New Ranger? Yeah, good work. All right, so there you go. So once again, it's New Ranger. It's not New Ranger. So do it again. Do it twice. All right. So yeah. Anyway, if it was done correctly, then what would actually have happened here is that it's going to be stripped. It's going to be stripped and then actually going to. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. And going to paint, but it turns out there's a bit of a drama there. So they're stripping the wrong canopy, which happens on occasion. What do you do? That's life. That's business, right? Not everything can be perfect. Okay, so. This one here, this one has the drawer on. This one's getting a couple more touches on it. Hopefully, should be ready to rock and roll pretty soon. Once again, like I was mentioning in the morning, Toyota giving me a call directly, and I don't pick up their calls. Turns out they are speaking Japanese. So yeah, we're figuring that out. As soon as we get Google Translate on this, then Oz Canopies and 4x4 is going to blast off into the stratosphere. So that's the long and short of it. That's checking in midday Tuesday. And let's just see how all of the rest of these jobs turn out. Peace.